What's up guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to record 8K videos on your Android phone. So as you can see right here, I am on my Android phone. And in order to record 8K videos, you want to go ahead and open up your camera. Now, once you open up your camera, click on more, not video, but more. As you can see right here, there is a more option. You tap on that. It's going to allow you to access a bit more, a lot more features within your camera. And so you want to click on Pro Video. Once you're in Pro Video, guys, you can, position your phone, whether landscape or portrait, whichever side you want or how you want to turn it. But you want to look for where it shows UHD. As you can see right here, it shows a UHD in the upper left. If you turn your phone like this, it's going to be at the upper right, as you can see right there. Now, I'm going to go ahead and tap on that. And right here, you will see that it gives you the option. So if I want 8K, as you can see, I just click on 8K. And guess what? I can now record. Just tap on record and I'm now recording in 8K on my Android phone. So this is a Samsung Galaxy S23 I'm using right here. And yeah, you can record in 8K and that's it. Keep in mind that these videos are going to be huge in size. So you want to take that into consideration. But yeah, that's how you do it. Very easy and very simple.